Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video I am going to show you how I was able to achieve this red pigmentation stamped over a black polish or a black nail. This one right here would be what you would expect pretty much out of almost every red stamping polish out there. If you guys have watched Guylene 325, I am going to link, I believe she has a couple of videos where she has had it, she labels them, she has titled them The Bottle of the Reds. Very good experimentation. I'm trying to find that the perfect red polish for stamping over black without it turning out orange or brown, and it's very hard. It has been a challenge. And so this is a typical, I think I used a Born Pretty store red stamping polish over black here, just nothing special about it, but I wanted to put them side by side so you can see the difference. I'm going to show you how I was able to achieve this pigmentation here. I think that it's not ideal. I wouldn't call it 100% foolproof red over black, but it's better than what I've been achieving with every other red polish that I've tried. So let's get started with that quick tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy. So I was going to start by showing you my base, which is just a black gel polish, but I wanted to tell you guys how, okay, so I don't know if maybe I'm the last one to get one of these. I forget what they're even called. Everybody knows what they are and where to get them, but I came across it at Five Below this past weekend, and I honestly don't remember. I don't think I paid. It was $3. I remember now. It was $3, not $5, but it was $3 at Five Below. And I wanted to show everybody how well it works. If you already have one of these, let me know down below and how have you been able to use it. But I thought it was going to be perfect for the mini bottles. You guys know I've reviewed a lot of these. This is an Azure Black. I have Model ones that I recently reviewed, and I'll show you how that one fits. But yeah, I wanted to show you. So yeah, of course, this is a gel, and I have to put my hand in the lamp. But what I do is, you just press this in here and then put your hand in the lamp when it's ready. But yeah, I just wanted to mention this really quick, how well it works. So you go in here, I mean, I've been in luck. So yeah, I mean, I can tilt my bottle a little bit just to, and I actually messed that nail up. It's not cured yet, and I've already done a second coat, but I'm coming in here with my second coat, applying this black gel polish for the tutorial that I'm about to show you. And when I'm doing this, like this side of the nail, the lamp, I have a lamp between my face and my hands that gets in the way, and so I always either miss that corner or get it right on my skin, and that's why things are not always perfect on the camera, guys. Yeah, let me fix this off screen. So here's the tiny 7 ml bottle from Model Ones that I very recently reviewed. Just put it in there. I mean, look how well it holds it. That's nice. I mean, it seems like it's not like super tight, but good enough to, so I just put this like I'm between my two fingers, and I'm gonna finish the last two. Oh, I didn't even open this. It will help if I open it. I'm going to go ahead and finish the last two nails, second coat, using this Model One's black polish. And here's my Emily bottle top coat. This is a top coat that I'm going to use. It's almost empty. We'll be able to tilt it just like this. And guys, guess what? So I went to Five Below. I like to go there to find my Funky Fingers black. Did I cure that? Black and white for stamping, especially. I got something in there. Especially when I do swatches, because they're cheap polishes and they stamp well. So I found the white one, but I didn't find the black one. And when I told the cashier, guess what she said? Oh, well, they're more popular in the fall. Because I'm thinking they're thinking Halloween, right? Black for Halloween. And I went, well, I like to use them for nail art, so it would be nice if they were available all year round. I just thought that was interesting. So they only had white, and I'm running short on my black funky fingers for stamping. Anyway, this is just something that I wanted to show you really quick. This little polish bottle holder, it looks great for the mini bottles and any of the large bottles too. They might be actually kind of heavy, but and it holds this bottle just fine. I'm loving my short nails in black. I really like to wear bold colors when I have shorties like this, and I've already had to file them down a couple times to keep them at this length. Still looking forward to doing my clear jellies. Okay, I'll go ahead and put this on the lamp, and then we'll move on to the tutorial. Okay guys, so here's what I use. Nothing more than Born Pretty Store gel stamping or gel stamping polish in white, and She Modern's red. This is the gradient powder. Yes, the gradient ombre pigment. Very, very fine powder, very pigmented. Okay, so and now you can use any white gel polish that you might have from any brand. Try maybe other red pigmentations that you might have, but this is the only one that I know of that it's like that I have, and that I know of that is like this and as pigmented and fine as it is. She Modern. Oh, and if I remember correctly, I believe she's having a 35% off spring sale, so go check that out. I don't know when the end day is, but then yes, you're going to see white gel versus regular polish. So the reason I wanted to test this with this gel white polish is because this, so you stamp with this and you stamp and it does not dry. So I figure while it's wet, the powder will adhere much better to it than if it were regular stamping polish. So let's put it to use. Alright guys, so here's a scary scene right here. I went ahead and stamped with white, the images with white. I used, if you're curious, I used my newest plates from Beauty Big Bang. BBB 016, it's this one, this pattern right here, and then BBB 017, this one I used this flower pattern right here. Stamped those in white, cleaned around. I actually stamped prior to putting, I didn't put the latex when I stamped. I cleaned it up because we're going to eventually put these in the lamp and cure them. I didn't want to cure the gel on my skin. So they're still wet. The white polish is still wet. I'm waiting for this latex to dry because I'm just going to simply sprinkle the red powder on the nails. And ever so gently, with the lightest touch of any brush that you might have, just tap to help it spread the polish. You don't want to do strokes, because remember that the white polish is still wet. So you don't want to smear it, you don't want to ruin the quality of your image. Are we noticing how pigmented this powder is? Oh my gosh, it's really a pigment. And I put the latex around my skin to make it easier cleanup of this dust, even though it cleans up very easy from your skin with alcohol. And if you wash your hands with soap and water, it comes right off. And after you do this, then now it's ready to be cured. You don't want to bring this powder on the lamp, just put a pad at the bottom of the tray. Now that the gel is cured, I can go ahead and dust this off, guys, and oh my gosh, look at that! It looks so cool. Look at the flowers. Yes, I'm gonna bring you up close to this. Oh, that is so pretty. And there's some areas where I was too sporadic with the powder spreading it since I'm doing this on the camera, but you guys, oh, look at that. Okay, let me peel off this latex and look at the final result. So guys, I wanted to show you, okay, so I started cleaning with my brush and some alcohol around my cuticles, but I kept hitting the powder and I didn't want to damage it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish it with my gel top coat, cure it, and then liberally clean it with just wash my hands. But I wanted to show you before I did that, I really love how it looks with the shiny base underneath and then the design is matted. Doesn't that look cool? Okay, let's do some thorough cleanup after the top coat. Okay guys, so here's the final result, and check out my cuticles. I did a very vigorous thorough cleanup under just with soap and water with a cuticle brush, and you wouldn't believe what I have here. I was scared I was going to lose these because yes, I do have my Burt's Bees cuticle cream as a base, so I can pop these off as soon as I'm done, and I was scared I was going to lose them, but I did not. As you can see, the red powder is not going to stain your skin or your nails or anything like that. It brushes off much easier just scrubbing with soap and water. Now I want you to see the difference here again. So this is your typical stamping polish. I think it looks kind of, that one looks kind of orangey, and this was my original test on that tip, and you can see how it compares. But yeah, I am super happy with these. Again, thank you, Guylene, for your ideas, tips, and doing that battle of the red polishes against black. I mean, this is still not, I wouldn't say this is 100% proof, but it is an improvement over this. So let me know your thoughts below. Let me know if this is something you like to try. Again, I will say the advantage of the gel white polish versus regular white polish is that it stays dry, wet, right? It's not dry, so while it's wet, it will adhere that powder much better. The powder will, the red pigment will adhere to it. So that is all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.